Do you want to make money in your free time? I've got something for you. A free app that can make you $600 instantly on absolutely no investment. All you have to do is download it and collect your earnings. It doesn't get any easier than this. Download the app now and start making money today. Before we go further, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's continue. It's the easiest money-making opportunity I've ever seen. Do you have a smartphone? Then you have a way to make money. All you have to do is install an app on your phone and then you'll start making money instantly. Sound too good to be true? This is called Repocket. Repocket was created so anyone with access to the internet can quickly get started and earn a passive side income for your unused internet. Sign up and start sharing your unused internet. Once the app is installed, your unused internet will be shared in the background. You can pause or disable this at any time. The app will continue running in the background even when you lock your phone. The app is now available for Windows PC, Mac, Android, and Linux. The iOS and other versions will be available on the platform soon. You can earn credits on Wi-Fi and mobile data, 3G, 4G, 5G connections. You can use the same account on as many devices and connections as you have. Log into the same account for each device you want to use. Repocket will pay you 20 cents per 1 gigabyte of shared internet. You can also refer users to supercharge your earnings. You will receive a $5 bonus and a 10% lifetime commission on all referred users. You will receive the referral bonus when the user you referred completes their first withdrawal. In other words, the referred user must earn $20 and then complete a withdrawal for you to get $5. You can add more devices and refer more users to maximize your earnings. There is no limit on earnings, so refer as many users as possible. The minimum withdrawal amount is $20. Once you reach this amount on your balance, the withdrawal button will activate. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.